Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a powerful fertilizer for all types of plants. And it's made from walnut shells. That's right, it's made from walnut shells and you can easily do it at home. This fertilizer is ideal for all types of plants you have at home, such as houseplants with or without flowers, also vegetables, herbs, and even trees. So without further ado, let's prepare this fertilizer. Start by eating some walnuts and saving the shells. Save the shells from 20 to 30 walnuts. Then take a pan and put the walnut shells inside. Add about 1.5 liters of water. 1.5 liters is about 0.4 gallons. When it starts to boil, leave it boiling for 20 minutes. As we can see, the water begins to take on a darker color, which indicates that the nutrients from the walnut shells are passing into the water. After boiling for 20 minutes, remove the pan from the heat and let it cool down. After it has cooled, strain the liquid. And now we have a concentrated fertilizer, and in a little while I will show you how to prepare it to then fertilize the plants. You can store this concentrated fertilizer in the fridge for up to 1 month. If you want, you can use the walnut shells as compost. To do this, mix them with the soil. I recommend doing this on outdoor plants and not on indoor plants, because as the shells decompose, it can bring insects and bad smells into the house. And now to apply the fertilizer to the plants, you must dilute 1 part of this concentrated liquid into 2 parts of water. So for example, if you use 200 milliliters of concentrated liquid, you must add 400 milliliters of water. This way, leaving a total of 600 milliliters of fertilizer to apply to the plants. And to use this fertilizer, just pour some of this mixture into the soil of all your indoor and outdoor plants. And you can do this every 2 weeks. By doing this, you are adding a large amount of nutrients to the soil, and your plants will get or stay healthy, with green leaves, beautiful and colorful flowers, and strong roots, making them grow well. You can also apply this fertilizer to trees. This is a small cherry guava tree, and also vegetables like these broccoli I have here. This houseplant is not very healthy, and we can see that 3 weeks after applying the fertilizer, the plant looks much better. The same happened with this plant, and it really looks much better 3 weeks after applying the fertilizer. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please support the channel by putting the thumbs up and subscribing. See you and goodbye.